Assalamu alaikum Zain, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am beautiful. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Are you?
A bit, yes.
Is this your first interview?
Yes,
Well, itna to banta hai yaar phir.
Yeah.
Well, let's dive right into the questionnaire then.
definitely.
Every designer starts somewhere, shaped by influences, mentors, and the creative landscape around them. As your career evolved and your aesthetic became instantly recognizable, how did you navigate the line between inspiration, chapa, and building a voice of your own?
Okay, so inspiration is everywhere. As in, I'm a designer myself. So whenever I scroll something on Instagram and whenever I see some references from Pinterest or websites, references and inspiration, I take inspiration from everywhere. From architecture.
Do you travel world?
Yes, I do. I travel all over the world almost. Yes. So I take inspiration from architecture, from different designers all over the world. I go to their boutiques. I see their designs, what exactly they're doing. So
And hence there's reflection of all of that into your silhouettes as well.
Yes,
They're
yes.
very avant-garde and very constructed.
Yeah.
I see that.
Honestly, I don't actually see my particular target market while designing something.
Okay.
I always try to do what I like and
what you want to do.
Exactly.
Okay.
So that's how I define my modern woman in today's world. So that's the reason, and very important thing is that I have developed my design language, and now everybody can instantly
Tell
see
कि this is Zain Hashmi.
Yeah, and they can instantly tell that this is Zain Hashmi.
Okay.
So that's.
Are you proud of that
Yes,
somewhere?
I am very proud of it now.
कितना time लगा Zain इस industry के अंदर building your own voice, telling that there's an individual out here.
Yeah, I graduated back in 2013.
From there?
From PIFD.
Okay, you were also from PIFD.
Yeah.
Okay.
And since then, I've been designing and working, and I've started my brand in 2020.
Okay,
Peak
2020.
COVID season, yes.
Oh my God.
So since then.
उसमें तो brands बंद हो रहे थे and you started your brand.
Yes. Actually, yes. Alhamdulillah, I've started my brand properly in 2020.
Wow, mashallah.
Mashallah, and it's been almost 6 years. Yeah.
So glad.
Yeah.
Acha. So then the very reason of asking the previous question was कि if you look in the Pakistani fashion fraternity ना industry आजकल तो there's too much monotony out there. ऐसे लग रहा है कि जी हर किसी का mood board एक दूसरे के साथ dating कर रहे हैं. Like there's like too much going on, similarities and everything. So like what should we do about it? How should we break the monotony?
As in, I think I have already break that sort of monotony already. As in, I like something which is something that I like personally, and that monotony, I think that can't.
Generally talk about it. Like in the fashion fraternity, generally जो monotony बनी हुई है ना, उसको हमें किस तरह खत्म करना चाहिए? Like हम एक जोड़े को देखते हैं तो हमें नहीं पता कि ये किसका है. We are confused. इधर भी उधर भी. The design language is so similar. The silhouettes are so similar. Even the shoot execution is so similar. The jewelry that is being used is so similar. Bro, what is going on in this?
Yeah, because Mohit, I think किसी को लगता है ना कि एक चीज चल गई है तो वो चलनी है, हमने वही करना है, हमने एक उसी ट्रेल के ऊपर ही फॉलो करना है. तो वो एक चल रहा है, सबको लग रहा है कि कुछ चीज बन रही है तो वो बेचनी ही है, बिकनी चाहिए. That's something which is lacking, I think.
और फिर मुझे लगता है वो इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं पहले.
Exactly.
और फिर वो इंस्पिरेशन से completely transform होके छापा बन जाता है.
yes.
And hence we call it out.
Yeah.
So then अभी मैं notice कर रहा हूँ, like you are sitting right across me. I'm noticing that you are a very quiet person.
Yeah.
Right? So not a lot of designers are that. They're very out and about.
Yeah,
they like to mingle and everything because this is what this industry demands, right?
Yeah.
So have you always been this way? कि the fashion industry made you like this?
I think fashion industry has made me this way a bit, but I would say that
out.
Yeah, I think, but I think काम करें आराम से, अपना काम पे concentrate करें.
और आपका काम आपके लिए बोलना चाहिए rather than you mingling around.
Exactly, काम को बोलना चाहिए. And I think there's a very close knit and the glass ceiling needs to break also. That's the thing that I need to discuss. कि एक बड़ा close knit है कि हम
lobby बनी हुई है
और वो भी एक है कि you guys can't sit with us, you can't sit with
हायरार्की
us.
सी है बेसिकली
बिल्कुल,
फैशन डिजाइनर्स की.
बिल्कुल.
That's what we are trying to say.
और आई थिंक जो सीनियर डिज़ाइनर्स हैं उनको इस चीज़ को ओन करना चाहिए और उनको नए लोगों को भी टाइम देना चाहिए और
acknowledge करना चाहिए.
एग्जैक्टली और एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए कि दे आर
Exactly.
मोर क्रिएटिव देन देम आल्सो.
Because that can happen.
Yeah.
That can easily happen.
Exactly,
It happens in
exactly.
all the industries.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
इसलिए आपने देखा है कि internationally वो creative directors को on board लेते हैं.
Exactly.
And the brand outshines.
बिल्कुल
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
So इसी बात से which Pakistani designer do you think deserves a lot more credit than they actually get?
I think that's myself.
Okay.
Yes, I would like to.
Elaborate.
Because I think we've been working so much. We're giving, as in we're creating collection by collection, and there's just वही बात कि एक वही जो lobby है that needs to break. और उस lobby के अंदर बस वो 2-4 लोग हैं उन्हीं को involve करते हैं और बाकियों को involve नहीं करते. But
I think so. You do not want to be involved.
I
Hence,
don't-
you are outshining.
Yeah.
I see. तुम्हें पता है उस दिन क्या हुआ that I was seeing Lux Style Awards and मैं उसमें से ना Himayal, I remember. I want to name the girl. Himayal. She was wearing Zain Hashmi.
Yeah.
And she walked the red carpet. क्या वो award show था? It was so puzzled and everything.
yeah.
But that girl. Outshined everybody
Yeah,
present at that
yeah,
event. I
yeah.
said that in my video as well.
Yes.
और यार वो लड़की इतनी प्यारी लग रही थी ज़ैन हाशमी के जोड़े में. फिर उसके बाद I again saw Aiza Khan wearing Zain Hashmi
Yeah.
किसी jewelry के event
Exactly,
पे.
yes, yes.
And I was like, what an outfit.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So Zain, अब यहाँ पे I'm gonna be very honest with you. You lean a lot into pastels and everything. ठीक है? Why don't you give us colors? I want कि Zain एक दिन उठे और Zain कहे जी आज मैं बनाऊंगा ये रंगीन collection and we are like shocked. ये Zain Hashmi ने बनाया with your like you know crazy silhouettes. ये हो तुम्हारी crazy silhouettes, architectural silhouettes and उसके अंदर रंगीन रंग. Like that would look so nice a combination. Like कि वो तुम्हारा aesthetic नहीं है कि you do not wanna vouch for it. What do you think?
Actually, I love colors.
Yeah.
We're currently working on our traditional collection, and we're putting all the colors that
Oh my
God has
God, I am
made.
so excited.
And we're creating red, oranges, teals, blue.
Wow,
all
I love
colors.
teal. I
Yeah.
love teal color.
Yeah, so I think it's not that I'm totally inclined towards pastels. It's
You are gonna vouch for it, and you are
Yes.
exploring that side
Yes,
of it.
yes.
Aista करके
Yeah,
आराम
yeah,
and you are
yeah.
giving it time.
Yeah.
So like, tell me, when are you doing your solo show? Because apparently सब कर रहे हैं आजकल.
I think soon you'll hear that I'll be
Give
doing
me a
my solo show.
tentative date now.
Probably next year start.
Inshallah.
Yes.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Honestly, do not forget inviting us.
Definitely.
So, fashion people in the industry love throwing around the terminology modern woman. ठीक है? But उनको पता नहीं होता है कि what's modern woman. ठीक है, हमारे पाकिस्तानी celebrities हैं वो आपके जोड़े पहन लेते हैं. लेकिन what is a Pakistani modern woman जो कि पाकिस्तानी designers पहन सकती है? ठीक है? You have to elaborate on that. What's your definition? What's Zain's definition of modern woman?
I think modern woman is someone who's very confident
Yeah.
and who likes to dress up. It's not about she only had to dress up on weddings and stuff like that. She can also dress up on a birthday occasion or on a funeral also, I think. Because modern woman is someone who's very confident enough to look good
And she knows how to carry stuff.
Exactly.
I think so that's what matters at the end of the day. कि
Yeah.
आप जो भी पहनो ना, you should know how to carry it.
Exactly.
You should have a poise. एक
Exactly.
अदा होनी चाहिए आप में and you are good to go, girl.
Yeah,
I get it.
yeah.
I get it. Then at this point in your career, what gives you more satisfaction? Creating something जो कि already market में बिक रहा है, या designing something that pushes boundaries, raises questions, and like you know allows you to explore more of Zain Hashmi.
I think, as I've already mentioned this, मोहित, कि मुझे वो चीज़ वैसे नहीं अच्छी लगती जो बहुत practicality हो, जिसमें
I can see that in your design
I
language.
actually don't think that is it going to sell or is it not going to sell. I think I create something which is already, out of the box. While creating something, I tend to, create something which hasn't been seen before, or at least I try to create some drama in my silhouettes.
Yeah.
So that at least people would see and कि भाई कुछ नया बन रहा है, कुछ नया दिख रहा है. और silhouettes जो है, I try to I actually don't like creating predictable cuts and silhouettes. I like drama, and at the end of the day, like to
You are a
create.
creative individual.
Yeah, actually, I like to create drama in my shoots also, in my silhouettes also, and that's why people come and order at us also.
But then
And-
तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि हमारी जो साउथ एशियन ऑडियंस है उनको इस तरह के कट्स में प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं कि जी ये बहुत दिख रहा है, बाजू बहुत ऐसे हैं तो ऐसे हैं, तुम कस्टमाइजेशन ऑफर करते हो कि पीपल ऑफन वाउच फॉर द सेम सिलुएट्स दैट यू हैव इन योर शूट्स एज वेल?
Yes, we do offer customizations also. Mainly, we have Qatari clients. They like to party.
Yeah, I know.
And
The Dubai bling types.
exactly.
Yeah, I get it.
So they like these kind of cuts and silhouettes in their very secluded parties. And,
Yeah, I get it. I get
so, we have Qatari royals, our clients.
Oh my
also.
God. Oh
So-
my God.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So then, since you come from a fashion school, and so do I feel like fashion schools teach you how to design, how to create, but not necessarily how to survive within the industry, which is
Exactly.
very toxic, I
Yes,
must say.
yes.
What's that one lesson that you learned after graduating that nobody could have taught you, and you wanna tell that to girls out there, to boys out there who are entering this industry?
I concentrate on the work they're doing, and they should find their path, their design path, and they should stick to it, and they should
And they should be very out and about with their design language.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly, and they should not hear stuff which people are saying to them, and they should concentrate on what they're doing, and and this is how
Did people
it should
say
be.
stuff to you?
Exactly, they.
You heard a lot of stuff, I
I
feel
heard a lot of stuff, but now I think.
But nothing is stopping you, I feel like.
No, not
You
at
are
all.
out here shining bright.
Yes, yes,
Hence,
exactly.
Mohicha is here to interview.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, so then you have to tell me what happened to your Shah jewelry brand, because like it's gone. Where is it gone? It was like Pakistani Schiaparelli that we were witnessing. It was so beautiful.
Yeah.
I remember your rings; they were
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah.
Oh, where did it go?
It didn't go anywhere. We're
Please,
coming.
उसको दोबारा से start
Yeah,
करो.
we are coming back again,
Yeah.
more stronger.
Yeah.
And we're actually in the process of designing more collections on Shah also.
And I remember that, like, corset of yours, corset dress. I think so. You are the only designer in Pakistan
Yeah.
who has explored something like that.
Yes.
वो integrating jewelry with fabric and
Yeah,
everything and
yeah,
creating something
yeah,
of that sort.
yeah.
That was so nice.
Yeah.
And that handbags, वो crab वाला जो कि
Yeah.
शायद टूट भी गया था किसी से.
Yeah, how do you know? How do you know?
Well, it travels. Well,
Yeah.
did you retrieve it?
Yes.
You did? Okay, I'm glad. So,
You know everything.
well, I do.
Yeah.
So, if I'm not wrong, you come from a Sayyid family background,
Yes.
right? So, was choosing fashion ever treated like a rebellion at home, or did you always have the support to become who you are today?
My father was an army officer.
Okay.
And yes, and he was actually very against of this profession, and he don't want me to get into this. But my mom was very supportive since the beginning, and she still is. And I have two brothers.
Yeah.
My one brother is doctor, and the other brother is
Oh my
chartered accountant.
God.
So they were like कि क्या कर रहा है लड़का जा रहा है
Exactly,
fashion
bro.
school में fashion पढ़ रहा है. So when I started in this business, when
And
they saw
initially fashion doesn't pay very well as well. You gradually earn from fashion.
Exactly.
And now you earn bucks, like,
Yeah.
crazy bucks.
Yeah.
Lekin it comes with time.
Exactly,
तो
yes.
वो trust gain करना, वो time gain करना, was it easy?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत instantly जो मेरे फादर थे उन्हें मेरे पे ट्रस्ट हो गया कि ये कुछ
चलो,
कर लेगा.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
और जब हमने बिजनेस शुरू किया he was actually managing all my accounts.
हाँ.
When he was looking on all my
Oh
accounts,
my
then
God.
he'll see कि हाँ नहीं ये कर लेगा कुछ ना
The
कुछ हो
same I did
जाएगा.
with my dad. I was
अच्छा.
like, you please look. That's a very good tactic, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very good tactic. Yeah.
तो
Okay.
वो इस तरह से फिर I've made them confident enough on me कि भाई कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है.
Chalo, I'm
Yeah.
so glad. I'm
Yeah.
so glad. Last but not the least, Zen, tell me, are you excited for the upcoming award show and you getting a beautiful trophy in your hand? Because I think so you're gonna get one because you are doing remarkable work. Looking around this entire store, I am fascinated and gagged.
Thank you. Yes, Sunday magazine was actually known to be the Vogue of Pakistan.
Yeah.
Or I've been scrolling these magazines since my childhood.
Same.
Yes.
Same.
Or
They have been out there for 25 years.
Yes, and I think I still remember the first issue which they've done with Babra Sharif. I think I still remember that,
Oh.
and I think मेरे पास होगा भी कहीं. तो I used to collect all these magazines. Sunday magazine I used to see.
तब ये अखबारों में आती थी?
नहीं, ये actually magazine था.
अच्छा.
और ये किसी मैगजीन एज इन किसी न्यूज़पेपर के साथ पब्लिकेशन के साथ एफिलिएट हुआ था.
Okay.
तो मैंने आई यूज़ टू कलेक्ट सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड कि भाई ये हो रहा है. एंड आई यूज़ टू सी तब एक ज़माने में पूरा एक शूट्स होते थे इसके अंदर. और बहुत ऐसे मॉडल्स हैं जो अब काम नहीं करते. इरज मंजूर, सिबिल चौधरी, नूरे भट्टी. एज इन आई यूज़ टू सी.
Who's your favorite model?
आई थिंक आई लव इरज मंजूर.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
और आजकल के ज़माने में who's your favorite model? You think this girl I want in all my campaigns, or this guy, this boy, like you know, कि एक मॉडल जिसको देख के you're like, oh my god, ज़ैन हाशमी का हर जोड़ा इस पे जचेगा.
I think Savera is doing really well.
Savera Rajput,
Yeah.
yeah, she's beautiful.
And I think Aksa is doing really well. Nimra
Aksa
is doing really well.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I think so. Noor Zarmeen is also very nice.
Yeah, she's very nice. Yeah, she's tall. She's nice.
very tall. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
It was lovely talking to you, Zain. You did so great. I was like, why were you nervous, bro? I was nervous in front of you. You did such an amazing job.
Thank you.
Lovely talking to you, sir.
Same here,
Lovely
same
talking
here.
to you.
Thank you.